things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep end. Let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. Confession I shouldn't have spoke, cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep end. Let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep end. Let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. So thank you all so much for watching till this end, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this tutorials. If you learn one or two things in this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And if this is your first time of coming across this amazing channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first person to know when I upload new videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, for coming back to support me. I really appreciate you all. And my name is Patient, known as Iyawo Ola. So I will need your maximum support from this channel, and I would really appreciate you guys if you can share out my videos to your friends and family. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I think that is all, and I hope you guys love this look. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. I love you all.